making waves in the international music scene. Known for their powerful vocals, infectious rhythms, and stage presence that commands your full attention, their authentic sound and heartfelt performances have cultivated a robust online presence, boasted over 565,000 YouTube subscribers, and surpassed 1 million followers on Facebook. Rooted in familiar bonds and shared love for music, this band continues to sow seeds of harmony, reaping a bountiful harvest of fans and accolades. They bring with them not just sound, but soul. Get ready to swing, sing, and maybe even shout a little louder. Duo Davao, make some noise for the one and only, the Farmer Band.
Dalay ko ng Diyos kanunay, Davao. Ikaw ang kusog na ko, kalipay ug dalang muabot man ang problema, walay maikapahimula, walay maikakumpara sa imong gugma. Sa tanan, mulod ako sa tiilan mo, o pagsimba kanimo, o Diyos. Unsa man kalayo ang langit, gugma mo alang sa tanan. Ikaw ang kusog, ikaw akong Diyos, o kalipay ko. Unsa man kalayo ang langit, gugma mo alang sa tanan. Ikaw ang kusog, ikaw akong Diyos, o kalipay ko. Kalipay ug dalang panan, muabot man ang problema, walay maikapahimula, kanunay Davao. Unahon na to kanunay ang Ginoo sa tanang panahon. Labi na ron panahon na guys. Swerte kita karon diri kay naghappy-happy pa ta, di ba? Tinuod ko dili. Tinuod ba kita na to na hitabo sa kalibutan karon kung sino hitabo mo lang. Unahon na to kanunay ang Ginoo. Sunod kanta, there's something from Bob Marley.